catch up with him. There's like 3, 4 chickens. Come on, see Mr. Mel. Kitty, kitty. Go across the street. I'm coming to you. Kitty, kitty. Hi, Mr. Mel. Come on. Wait, I'm here. Hi. I saw someone petting you. You took off, but now you get extra pets. Oh, just a car. Just a car. There's a good kitty. Oh, there's poop. Stay away from that poop. No, stop smelling it. Kitty. Kitty. Stop it. Stop it. Okay. Well, I'm going to go on my walk, kitty. Bye-bye, Mel. What a good cat. Hi. I saw these little starlings show up right there, and here you are. Do you think they figured out that I got treats? Here, let's go way over here. So I think these starlings have seen me before. I walk by here all the time, by their house. Bye-bye. I think the starlings are figuring out that I'm friends with the crows and I bring goodies. Where'd the starlings go? Did they go home? Huh. I thought they came to check it out and steal some of his treats. There he is. Yummy. Alright. If anyone was going to show up, their usual spot. There we go. Hope you're watching. Oh, here comes. Hey, there you are. Woo. Then you got a friend. Oh, I hear someone behind me. Here he comes. Yay! Hi! Okay, cool. So I've been watched from all over the place. Alright, I'll leave them to it. I see that guy, he just came over here, and then another one, well the first one, he came back. So they're just hanging out, having a good time with their snacks. Alright. Good timing. Oh boy, it's windy. Okay, treats for you.